What is going on, peeps? We are back. BBI Automotive. This thing's clean. Gutted. Love the Porsche Momo steering wheel. Like the white on white. It's fire. It's really fire. A little MR2. The RS6 though in the back. That's gold right there. Good. Hawaii license plate. Suspension is crazy on this thing. Love the color though. Japan, let's see. I love this blue. This is sick. I love the yellow headlights. Taros, of course. Wood shift knob. It's fire.
Primarily Porsche stuff.
Okay.
So like crazy Porsche builds, like that's our Porsche.
Oh well.
We can kind of go from 0 to 60, you know? Start with a plastic build, see if it fits, and then try to test it on a dyno.
That's awesome. Appreciate that, man. Thank you.
But that's the idea, is that like, if we, like the cars that we create like this, like, we want the person to come in, sit in and start and be like, all right, well, it's a little different, but it's the same. It's a little different, but it's okay, cool, right? So they'll have like an expectation that's a little turned up, but like, what exactly is done to it, and like, they don't know.
Well, peeps, that is a wrap for the BBI Automotive event. Glad I finally got the chance to make it out to one, especially since I missed the previous one, which they had the fully assembled Huna Pegasus, but at least this time I got to see some pieces from it. You know I'm a huge Porsche fan, so being able to come to the shop, tour from their team was just an overall awesome experience. But one of the main highlights I was hyped about was seeing Scott's RWB. Since now that I think about it, that might be my first close-up experience with an RWB. Recent trip to Japan, I had a goal set out to hopefully come across one of these in the wild, but unfortunately that didn't happen. So I guess this kind of makes up for it in a way. But mark my words, one of these days I will have the opportunity to meet Nakai-san himself and doing a shop tour just like I did at BBI's Automotive. Especially with summer coming up, I know there's going to be a lot more events happening, which I will be attending. If you guys enjoyed this walkthrough, let me know in the comments below. I always appreciate your support, so continue doing what you're doing and hit that like button. For any latest updates on what I'm up to throughout the week, be sure to check out and follow me on Instagram. Always remember, create to elevate, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.